across multiple metro construction sites. Thousands of materials move, hundreds of tools change hands, drill machines, cutters, safety equipment, electrical tools. But there's one big problem: no proper tracking. Today, one worker uses a tool. Tomorrow, someone else takes it. No clear record, no real visibility, no accountability. When something goes missing, work slows down. Supervisors start calling. Workers start searching. Time gets wasted. And then comes audit day. Files everywhere. Manual entries. Mismatch in stock. What is available? What is in use? Which station has extra materials? Confusion increases. Pressure builds. Loss grows silently. Now, imagine a smarter system. Introducing KOKA Asset Management, a powerful digital solution built for construction and infrastructure companies. Every material, every tool, every asset gets a unique barcode or QR code. When issued, scan. When returned, scan. That's it. Instant update. Live tracking. Full visibility. Now, at any moment, you can see which metro station has how many tools, who is currently using what is available, what needs maintenance. All from a single dashboard, clear data, real-time control, zero guesswork. Audit day arrives again, but this time, no stress. Just open the dashboard, generate report, export in one click, accurate records, complete transparency, full compliance. Construction runs smoothly. Managers stay confident. Operations become faster. No more lost tools. No more unnecessary purchases. No more audit panic. Just smart control. KOKA software. Smart asset management for smart construction businesses. Track, control, grow.